Hello and welcome to the topic what is variation and language variation. Let's first talk about meaning of variation. The word variation comes from Old French varier or Latin varier or various, meaning diverse. The word vary is the verb form of variation in English. Generally, it refers to something different from another of the same type. That is, something that differs from a standard, convention, or social pattern. Meaning of variation. Variation also means a deviation from the norm, like the variation of colors in nature. Variation is a characteristic of human. It allows us to differentiate individuals, groups, communities, states, and nations. Now we talk about meaning of language variation. It refers to the fact that there is more than one way of saying the same thing. Speakers may vary in pronunciation, word choice, or grammar. Meaning of language variation. We have some more ideas. Each way of speaking is termed as a variety. Everyone knows that language is variable, it is changeable. Hope you understand the lesson. Thank you and goodbye.